Alright, this is a mid-90s Robinson Pro 24, 24-inch rims. I bought this in 97 from a dealer, so it's pretty much stock when I purchased it. Obviously it's seen better days, and I'm about to do some refinishing here, but just to go over what it had, this is the GT it's like hook nose seat. Obviously the foam is nearly gone, so I'll have to replace that. We have the GT neck, original handlebars here, sans the grips, and if you can see that. These are also the GT wheels and hubs. I had the GT Pro AA tires on here. These were the 24-2 on the front. This is an original tire, but it's pretty much trashed. You can see that there. We have the GT cranks, which are pretty much well rusted. Also the GT pedals and GT crank on the other side. There's the neck. I'll show you this. This is obviously upside down and rusted as shit. We've got the V rear brake back here. I'm not sure what the pads are or what the brakes are either, but these all need to be replaced. These are pretty well done. This tire is a replacement, but also trashed. What these were stock were the 24-175, but that would be replaced. And GT wheels as well. So this is the before, and hopefully after it'll look a little bit nicer.